Well, leaders of several opposition parties are meeting in the chamber of Congress in the Rajya Sabha, Mallikarjun Kharge at the Parliament. The meeting comes amid the ongoing monsoon session and is expected to focus on the opposition's strategy over key issues, including the NEET controversy and other matters likely to be raised in both the houses. Well, Congress President and a leader of the opposition in the Rajya Sabha, Mallikarjun Kharge, has also reacted to the ongoing NEET row and the CJP protests. And in fact, let's listen into that statement.
पुलिस ने जो है भरा बस के अंदर और उनको डिटेन किया गया, कैसे देखते हैं सर आप?
नहीं, कल ही मैं कहा हूँ कि ये डेमोक्रेटिक गवर्नमेंट नहीं है, ये डिक्टेटरशिप पे चला रही है और पार्लियामेंट के मेंबर्स को कोई मर्यादा नहीं देती और रूल्स के तहत जो प्रोटेस्ट करते हैं उनको भी वो एक तरीके से हरासमेंट करके वो हमेशा अपने लोगों को, पुलिस को बोलते हैं और यहाँ तक कि बीजेपी के आरएसएस के वॉलंटियर्स भी इसमें काम करते हैं विदाउट बैचेस, जो विद्यार्थियों को डराना, कांग्रेस लीडर्स को डराना, ये काम भी वो इनडायरेक्टली करते हैं और करके आज राहुल गांधी जी को किए, प्रियंका जी को किए और बहुत से स्टूडेंट्स को तो उन्होंने किया ही किया, लेकिन हमारे जो बड़े नेता हैं उनको कुचलने की कोशिश अगर आप करेंगे फिर लाखों में लोग उठेंगे, फिर उस वक्त तुम कंट्रोल नहीं कर पाएंगे। और हम डरने वाले लोग नहीं हैं, हम लड़ते रहेंगे। कल आप पछताएंगे कि हमने जो राहुल जी के लिए किया या प्रियंका जी के लिए किया ये ठीक नहीं है, उसी का परिणाम हम भुगतना पड़ रहा है।
Let me go across to my colleague Anand Singh, who continues to be live with us on this broadcast. Anand, obviously, we're seeing the statement from Mallikarjun Kharge. It's a sharp attack on the government. Apart from this, we're also witnessing that meeting that was held by all these leaders in the chambers of Mallikarjun Kharge at the Parliament. If you can take us through the details of what might have been discussed at the meeting as well, please.
Yes, Shivani, if we talk especially about the meeting of the opposition floor leaders that took place in Mallikarjun Kharge chamber in the morning today. So, if we talk what were the issues that were discussed, then the main issue that came in front of all the leaders, that is what the sources have indicated, is that the way in which the police have used action against the Congress senior leaders, the MPs, opposition MPs who had come to support leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi's sit-in protest outside Prime Minister Narendra Modi's residence, and the way in which they were pulled out from there, they were harassed by the police, the way in which the police treated Priyanka Gandhi Vadra at the protest site, in which most of the male police personnel were seen pushing her inside the bus. So this has not gone down well with the Congress, and Mallikarjun Kharge used very strong words as he mentioned that this government is not ready to listen, this government is not listening to the grievances of students, this government was only trying to suppress the voices of the leaders inside parliament and even the voices of students who are raising their issue with the government. And he warned the government that if the government is not ready to listen, if they keep on doing such kind of police action on the opposition leader, if they try to suppress them, then lakhs of Congress workers will rise across the country and they will protest against the government, and then the government will have to think that whatever steps it has taken, those were wrong and they have to regret later. So very strong words by Mallikarjun Kharge, and sources even indicated that the NEET paper row, especially that there will be one again raking up in the parliament. The police excesses that were meted out to the protesting students on July 20, they will be standing with the students, and they will completely oppose the government, the way in which it handled the students' protest when they had started their march from Jantar Mantar to parliament. And even they will question government on several of the paper leaks to seek accountability from the government, that why the education system of India is collapsing, why repeated paper leaks are happening. So these are the issues that the opposition parties will raise. As we have seen earlier in the morning that several of the leaders from Congress, they had given adjournment motion notice on the issue of NEET, whether it be Syed Nasir Hussain and others. And if we talk about in Lok Sabha, then Manikam Tagore from Congress has also given notice. Raj Sabha MP Sanjay Singh has also given adjournment motion notice in Rajya Sabha over NEET paper leak issue, and even Trinamool Congress Nadimul Haq has given the notice under Rule 267 in Rajya Sabha over the NEET paper leak issue itself. So the opposition parties, they are looking to take up this issue seriously in parliament, and they are very much united in opposing the government, the way in which it has handled the students' protest and the way in which police excesses were carried out against the protesting students. Back to you.
Right, Anand, request you to please stay on with us. We have some more breaking news coming in.